Okay, Paige. How do you like your new chair? There you go. Now you got back in. Come on. That's it. That's good. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Oh. Come on. That's your name. That's your name, baby Paige. Yeah, that's an E. Okay, try to get back in. Oh my goodness. Whoa, maybe that's not so good. Oh gosh. That might not be so good. Yeah. Whoa. I don't know how. Oh my gosh. Okay.